Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going.
Hey dolls, welcome back. Thank you so much for jumping back on here on my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Makeupbyjaytee, but you can just call me JT. If today's your first time coming into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Okay? So today I'm not going anywhere, but I just feel the need to record. Like, I miss my studio. I traveled for a couple of days and I miss my studio and I just feel like recording. So that's why I'm here today. And also I will be trying quite a few of new things. Most of it I've had for a while and some I just got in the mail. The first thing that is new that I'll be trying is the Frankie Rose Brow pencil. They just came out with this and they sent me the shade Deep Brown and it's called Brow Defining Pencil. Before I start anything, I'm just going to take this Pixie Detoxify and I'm just going to place this under my eye. You know, just to give me a little bit of, you know, glow before I start. Alright, now that that's on, I'm going to move on to my brows. The pencil is a retractable one and it has one of those, you know, triangle shape. So first I'll take the spoolie and just brush down my hair. Then I'll first use it to outline. Wow. Now I'm just going to use it to fill it in. Now I'm just going to brush it. I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm using that to just clean up. For my eyeshadow base today, I'll be using the P. Louise Room 4. I'm just placing this all over my lid. And with this, I feel like you have to be very, very generous when applying it as your base. Another new product I'll be using today is from Lola Cosmetics. These are not new palettes. I've had them for a while, but for some reason I had them buried somewhere, so I'm glad I found them. I'll be using the Cocaine palette and also the Pilot palette. I'm going to show you guys quickly what it looks like. This is what the Cocaine palette looks like. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette and this is what the Pilot palette looks like. For those of you that do not know, Lola Cosmetics, it's a Canadian brand cosmetics and the owner is actually a Nigerian, so this is very dear and close to my heart to be using. First I'll be taking the Pilot palette and I'll start by taking the shade Bridge. And then I'm going to switch to the Cocaine palette and I'll be taking the shade Finesse. Going back into that Pilot palette, I'll be taking the shade Baggage. My lid color, I'll be taking the shade Lavish. Lavish is a gold shade. Another new product I'll be using today is the Milani's Metallic Light, and this is the shade Rose Foil. I squeezed that a little bit into my my mixing plate, and I'm just gonna place this on my lid. Now we're taking MAC Fascinating Eye Coat. Another new product I'll be using is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is their hydrating facial mist. I've never used it before. This is my first time using it. Once that sets in, I'll be taking the Frankie Rose Prime Addiction Primer. For foundation, I'll be using the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation, and this is the shade Latte. For my under eye concealer, I'll be using the Frankie Rose Our Little Secrets Concealer, and this is the shade Toffee. I'm going to set my under eyes using the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, and this is the shade Yellow. Moving on to my lips, I'll be using the Frankie Rose Lip Liner in the shade Mellow. For lip color, I'll be using the Lola Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Shanghai. To set my entire face, I'll be using the Gerard Cosmetics Setting Spray. And this is green tea and ginger. Another new product I'll be using today is also from Frankie Rose, and this is their new 3-shade bronze palette. Looks like. And today I'll be using this shade right here, and that is Goddess. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I definitely love all of the products that I used today. When I saw the brow pencil at first, I was like, whatever. It performed more than what I expected. You guys know when I use something and it works, I don't like to change it, but this actually blew me away. I definitely love this, and you guys will definitely see more of this. The only thing I just wish was that they have this in lighter shades. From the little pamphlet that they sent to me, I think it only comes in 2 shades. They can definitely expand in this, because I would love to see this in just like a soft brown or just brown. More like a softer brown, that's what I'm trying to say. You guys know this is what I typically use to fill in my brows, and if they can make this in something like this, they will have me. If you've never used anything from Lola Cosmetics before, you guys definitely need to check them out, especially when it comes to their liquid lipstick. Their liquid lipstick usually comes with a liquid and a lipstick at the end. I have used their liquid lipstick before, and it is one of the most matte liquid lipstick ever. And it's not one of those liquid lipstick that is like, it's matte yet it's not like drying, like it doesn't crack or anything. Like right now, I'm sure you guys can see a bit of sheen in it, yet it is matte. It is definitely one of the best liquid lipstick out there that I have tried. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one.